What's up, y'all? It's Carrie Mitchell with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today I have a tutorial for you that goes over a very basic tap step. So if you've always dreamed of learning to tap dance, stay tuned. So today for our basic tap step, we're gonna work on a backwards brush. So brushing that foot, just that backwards motion. If you don't know this already, tap steps can have a variety of different names. So I just learned this is called a brush. Forward brush, back brush. Some people call it a spank. So, and I'm sure there's other names as well. But I'm just gonna call it a brush, but it's a backwards brush, okay? So we're gonna work on back flaps first, or back brushes. So those forward flaps, if you need to practice these first, check out another tutorial that I've linked down below, and that'll give you time to really go over that forward motion. But if you have your forward flaps mastered, or at least you know them pretty well, then let's go ahead and work on that back flap. So our forwards flap is a brush step forward, right? Brush step, brush step, brush step, brush step, brush step. A back flap, it's a brush and a step, but I'm brushing back, brush back, brush back, brush back. This one, the backwards motion can sometimes throw us off a little, so that takes some getting used to, right? Just moving backwards. That's not something we really do a whole bunch of in our day-to-day lives. So if you want to start just on the balls of your feet moving backwards, that's a good place to start. When you're ready to add that back brush, you're actually having to quickly flex your foot in the air so that your toe is up so that you can brush it back. But this happens very fast. Okay? And the more you practice this motion of this back brush, the faster you can get it, and it's not really a separate like flex brush. It's just a nice quick brush back. Lots of talking. Okay, so we're gonna do flap, 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 and then when we reverse it, it's gonna be brush back, brush back, brush back, okay? So, I'm making my movements nice and big so you can see them. Heading backwards, when I brush, I'm having to, remember, kind of flex that foot in the air. I'm trying to stay on the balls of my feet if I can, and I'm gonna go brush back, brush back, brush back. So we just want to hear that foot pop the floor as it heads back. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush step on it. Brush step on it. Brush step. Brush step. Brush step. Arms are for balance. Brush step. Brush step. Brush step. So as we move forward, backwards, try to still keep the weight over the ball or centered over your feet. So you don't need your shoulders to be going back this way because that'll throw your balance off. So even though I'm heading backwards, I'm still trying to center my weight over my feet. And that's gonna keep me a little more steady, okay? So we're gonna alternate between flaps and back flaps, forward and back. So I'm gonna go forward for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna step on 7, or stamp, let that weight go down. And on 8, I'm gonna pick my foot up in front so that it's gonna be ready to brush back, okay? This is gonna give you a little bit of extra time to think, oh yeah, I'm gonna brush that foot back. So it's 6 flaps, a stamp, and then a prep for that other foot. Ready? 5, 6, 6 slow flaps. We go right, left, right, left. 2 more. Stamp, pick your foot up, okay? 5, 6, 7, 6 flaps. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stamp and prep. So you finished here, your left foot's ready to brush back. You're gonna go brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total. No stamping or anything. Just 8 back flaps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 6 flats, right, left, right. 2 more. Stamp. Prep that foot. Now brush back, brush back, brush back, brush back, brush back. 7, 8. Now, when you finish there, your left foot should be free, and it's going to be a lot easier to go right back into that forward flap. So we're going to do 6 starting with your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now stamp on your left and prep your right foot, and then the right foot's going to start and go 8 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Woo! It's actually a little harder. It's easier to get your sounds in when we go slow, but it's harder to balance. So here's what we're going to do now. The tempo is going to be brush that, brush that, brush that, brush that, brush that, brush that. Stamp, prep, ready? 5, 6, 6 flats. Brush that. Stamp, prep, back, back. Left side, left. Stamp, prep, brush back. And nice. Try again. Same thing. 5, 6, 6 flats. Here we go. Stamp, brush back. Left. Stamp, go. Very nice, y'all. One more time, we're gonna speed up the tempo of that flap. So we were doing, whoops, we were doing, and now we're gonna go even faster on those flaps. When you're ready, here we go. One last time. 5, 6, faster flaps. Go. 6. Stamp, back. Well back. Stamp, back. Woo! Pretty even rhythm. Great job, guys. These back flaps are no joke, so take your time learning them, going really slow. Don't get discouraged. Tap dancing is not something that happens after one 10 or 30 minute tutorial, or however long the tutorial is. 10 or 30 minutes, whatever. Tap dancing takes a long time and a lot of practice and repetition to master. So don't feel like you can do one tutorial and just like, you are a tap dancer, but not just have it be like super easy. It takes practice and it takes time. So keep practicing, practice those regular flaps, practice those back flaps, try a tap combo. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.